Hi guys, this is just a video to show you how to download your practice tracks for Stand Together. So right now I'm in my email and yours might look different than mine because yours might say part 2 or part 3, okay, depending on what your part is. So what I'm going to do is just click on the track and notice that it downloads to my computer. And now I'm going to click on the next one, which is the accompaniment. And notice that that one also downloads to my computer. So now I've successfully downloaded both of the tracks. The next thing I'm going to do is make sure I can see my desktop. So in order to do that, I've got to minimize, pressing this minus sign, minimize everything so I can now see my desktop, okay? And now I'm going to, in a blank area, drag my cursor over, and I'm going to right click, and that's going to pull up a screen that looks like this. And I'm going to find New, and I'm going to click on Folder. That's going to help me generate a new folder, okay? And that new folder, I'm going to go ahead and title Stand Together, okay? And I'm sure you can type much faster, but I'm doing it with one hand right now. Stand Together, enter, okay? So there's my new folder, okay? The next thing I'm going to do is now go find my tracks. And so how I'm going to do that is go down here to this folder, the left-hand side. This is the keeper of all of my downloads, and I'm going to find the folder that says downloads. If it's not here, you can also find it here. Either one, you're just looking for downloads. If I click on that, then I can see which ones I just downloaded. As you can see, I have lots of downloads for today, but here's the ones that I just did. I'm going to left click, and I'm going to hold it and just drag it to my desktop and drop. Okay, which I've already done. Yours is going to look different, but I am going to replace mine and add it onto there because now I've done it 2 times. And I'm going to take this next one that I just did. So you should have 2 that you drag and you drop, okay? Then I'm going to go ahead and X out of this. And now, to keep myself so organized, I'm just going to drag it straight into the folder. And now I have my Stand Together practice tracks on my computer, so I don't have to depend on internet. So if things get laggy, I have my Stand Together practice tracks located right here in my Stand Together folder. And just to test it out, I'm going to go ahead and click on one of them. It should look like this. There's my practice track.